You're with Santa's Helpers Reviews, and we're talking about the Artistia 10-piece fondue set. Fondue makes a great gift any time of the year, but especially in the holidays. You'll get used to this as a couple on date night, with friends. This fondue set by Artistia comes with everything you need. Overall, we're incredibly happy with our purchase. Our friends were too. After feeding 23 people with a cheese fondue, the experience is really fun, communal, it's cast iron, which is the benefit over something even like stainless steel that might get dented, or ceramic that could break. Now, there are two important concepts with fondue, and that is the pot material as well as your heating element. Different pots are better for certain foods and sauces, and heating elements are better if you want more direct heat or less direct, more controlled heat. The cast iron pot is so versatile, being able to take cheese fondue or meats, seafoods, veggies. The wrought kind of textured vintage look of the rack and the plate is really cool. The stainless steel burner will last forever, and you have multiple options for fuel that are not included, but it will take all of those options. We did use one of these canisters. They do burn hotter, longer, and closer to your pot. These larger canisters have a 2-hour and 15-minute burn time. A lot of caterers use them. I think for seafood, this is actually gonna be perfect. There are smaller capsules that I'll link to for you there, and they burn further away from the pot, and they are better controlled by this element where you can change how much heat is coming out. I would recommend that with a cheese fondue, where it's more important to not burn your cheese. You're gonna have a great time. Your friends are really gonna enjoy it. You're gonna be challenged to find a better value for a fondue set anywhere else online. So we highly recommend it. It also comes in red and blue. This thing is gonna last a lifetime. As always, if you've enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, please, and we'll see you in the comments.